Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize templates in Zoho Books. This is incredibly useful for creating professional branded invoices and estimates that reflect your business identity and make your documents stand out to clients. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your accounting tools and settings. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon labeled Settings. This opens up all the configuration options available in Zoho Books. From the menu that appears, select PDF Templates under the Customization section. This is where all your document templates live and where you can modify how your invoices, estimates, and other documents appear. In the Templates pane on the left side of your screen, select the module you want to customize. For example, if you're working on invoice templates, click on Invoices. If it's Estimates, select Estimates. This ensures you're editing the right type of document template for your needs. Next, hover over an existing template you want to edit and click Edit. Alternatively, if you want to start fresh, click the New button in the top right corner to create a brand new template from scratch. This flexibility allows you to either build on what's already there or design something completely unique. Once you're in the template editor, start by customizing the template properties. Here you can change the template name to something descriptive, adjust the paper size to match your printing requirements, and even add a background image if you want to incorporate watermarks or branding elements. These foundational settings establish the overall look and format of your template. Now customize the header by adding your company logo, business name, and other important details like your address or contact information. This section appears at the top of every document and is crucial for brand recognition. Move on to modifying the body of the template. This is where you can add or remove fields based on what information you need to display, change field labels to match your terminology, and adjust fonts and colors to align with your brand guidelines. The body contains all the transaction details, so make sure it's clear and organized. Don't forget to customize the footer. This is the perfect place to add terms and conditions, payment instructions, notes, or any other information you want clients to see at the bottom of each document. To tie everything together visually, select a color theme from the Select Color Theme dropdown. This applies a coordinated color scheme across your template, giving it a polished, professional appearance. Finally, click Save to apply all your changes. If you want this template to be used automatically for all future documents of this type, set it as your default template. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.